One wrong move and your entire digital life on Telegram vanish. I almost lost everything. My charts, my contacts, years of memories. You won't believe the steps I took to restore my account back from the brink of a suspension. Stick around because this is not just my story, but it's a lesson to us all. It all started with an ordinary morning. I tried to log in, but Telegram hit me with a barrage error. At first I thought that it's a network glitch, but when I retried, nothing had changed. Then it hit me. Was I hacked or worse? Was my account suspended? The panic was real. Years of messages, work contacts, private conversations, all at risk of disappearing forever. And the worst part, Slogan didn't explain why this was happening. So what I did, I started digging. Did you know that Slogan flags suspicious accounts without any warning? And sometimes it's not even your fault. Login attempts from a new device, a flagged group you just joined, or even too many failed login attempts can trigger it. I saw Slogan's help pages, but they were frustratingly vague. Forms were filled with horror stories of people who lost everything. That's when fear really hit. What if I was the next? I knew I had to act fast. First, I tried contacting Telegram support directly. Yes, I know it is slow, but that's the best shot. Then the other thing that I did is I had to back up my data that I had to access on my linked device. And while waiting, I joined community forums to see what had worked for others. For sure, those hours felt like days. I kept refreshing my inbox, hoping for a response. The anxiety was unbearable. But then I found a breakthrough. Now here is the secret. My appeal worked because I made it easy for Telegram to verify my identity. I wrote a clear, polite email explaining the situation, and I also attached proof of ownership like my linked phone number and the screenshots of the old sessions, and requested for a manual review. Within 48 hours, they restored my account. Now here is the important part. Don't just wait. Enable the two-factor authentication and make sure that your recovery email is updated. Check your active sessions under the privacy and security. These steps can save your account even before the crisis starts. After this nightmare, I had to manage all my messaging apps. Here is what I recommend. First, turn on the two-factor authentication. Second, regularly export your Telegram chats. It is easy and free. Then you need to monitor suspicious logins or even unlink them from your account. Then you also need to stay updated on the Telegram policies so I don't get caught off guard. Trust me, prevention is much more, million times easier than going through what I went through. So that's how I recovered my Telegram account from the edge of suspension. Have you faced login nightmares like this? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, there has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.